Welcome to programming screencast of lottery simulation. So let me first introduce what is lottery simulation. Let me just give you a brief overview. I hope you had seen the previous video where the procedure of lottery simulation, lottery was explained. I'll just give a brief overview. So basically there are some sort of coupons was available, and you have to bet on one particular coupon, and they'll draw a coupon randomly from the available list of coupon, and if your betted coupon and the coupon that appears matches, you will win. For playing this game, you're supposed to play some amount, and if you win, you get something much more than what you have paid. So this is how they try to tempt you to play the lottery. So let me take a very simple scenario and explain it. So let me assume that there are some 10 coupons. So basically each coupon contain a digit, a number from 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, like that up to 10. One number is present in each coupon. Like that there are coupons, that coupon contains the digits from 1 to 10. You are supposed to bet something. I say the number 7 will appear if you draw now. I'll say that. So now after listening to my bet 7, they'll draw a coupon randomly. If that randomly drawn coupon contains the number 7, I win. Otherwise, I lose. To play this game, I have to pay, say, some 100 rupees. If I win, that is, if I get lucky and I got the same number, if I win, I'll get, say, 1000 rupees. See, 10 folds. I'm getting back 10 folds. Or even if you say 900 rupees. Anything. I'm getting much more than what I'm paying. So I'm really tempted to play this game. So let us see what happens if I play this game. If I get lucky, I'll get much more than what I paid. If I get unlucky, I'll lose 100 rupees, which is not very big deal. Let us try what happens. Let us try simulating it. So to simulate this, we will use something called random. So because you're randomly picking one coupon out of the available coupons, right? So I am going to use a package called random. So let us see. I'll say import random. I hope you have used this package sometime. So basically to deal with something that happens with some probabilistic thing, randomness, we use this package random. So I'll say I have a bet. So bet is something, I have a number. So let me say I have to get the input of the bet. Bet is a number. I have to get the input. Input, as you know, would generally take everything in terms of string. So I have to typecast it. I have to change it into integer type. So let me do that. Int of input. So I have to ask what is your bet. So I'll say your bet. Okay. So I got the bet from the user. So once I have got the bet, now I have to simulate the lucky draw. Let me say lucky draw. So what is this lucky draw? I'll take a coupon randomly. It will contain a number from 1 to 10. So to simulate that, I'll use the function from random package. It is random dot randint. What does this functionality done? What does this do? You're supposed to pass two parameters A and B as it is shown. So a number from A to B. Between that, in that range, some number will be there. So I want from 1 to 10. So 1 to 10. Here 1 and 10, both the endpoints are also included. Any number can be picked from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One of these 10 numbers could be picked. Even I have to bet something from 1 to 10. So let me make this statement more clearer. Your bet from 1 to 10. So let me make this more clearer. So I have inputted a value. I have asked for what is my bet, as you could see here. I have asked for his betting. So let me find. So I have inputted what is the number on which I want to bet. And now I am simulating this lucky draw. So here I will be getting another number. And before that, I need to have something called the account, right? So where do I deposit the money that I am winning? So let me say I have some account. Initially, there is nothing. I got it from the organizers of the game. So it is 0. And now if I get lucky, that is my betted number as well as the one I got in the lucky draw, if they both turn out to be equal. So this double equal to symbol is what I am using it for equality check. If you use a single equal to, it is assignment. So it will change the value assigned, but I want to check the equality. I don't want to change the values. So I am using the double equal to symbol. If that is equal to the lucky draw, then to my account, what happens? whatever was there earlier along with that amount, say 900 rupees gets added. And to play this game, how much have I spent? 100 rupees. So I have to deduct 100 because I have spent 100 from my hand and I have added some 900 rupees because I have won in this place. So 900 got added and I had spent 100 rupees. So the net gain is 800 rupees I'm getting into my account if I got lucky. What if I didn't get lucky? Nothing, I just lose my 100 rupees. Else, if I didn't get lucky, else what happens? I'll lose 100 rupees. So let me say account is nothing but I have to deduct 100 from my previous earnings. From those earnings I'm spending. So I have to deduct it. Okay. So at the end of the game, what is there in my account? I'll print. Okay. See, I'm just playing once here. I get an input, I bet on some number and some lucky draw happens, some number is drawn at random, and if that is equal to what I have bet, I win 900 rupees, else I don't win anything. But to play this game, I have to pay 100 rupees. That is why I'm deducting 100 in both the cases. So at the end of the game, what is that I have in my account? That is, after playing this game, what do I have? Let us see that now. Let me save this and now let me maximize the console. So here is where you get the output, right? So let me maximize this portion and now let me run this. Run it. Okay, your bet from 1 to 10, it's asking me. Let me say I bet on 7 minus 100. See, so I had lost. Why have I lost? I don't know. I want to see what happened in my lucky draw case. So let me print it. I'll modify this program slightly. Let me print the lucky draw. Print the lucky draw. Whatever is the value in lucky draw, I want to print it, as well as whatever is in my account, I'll print it. Let me save the program and now let me maximize this portion. Let me maximize here and now let me run it again. See, it's asking me for a bet. So let me now bet on 5. It turned out to be 4 and so I lose. Okay, let me try again. I run again. This time let me bet on 2. It turned out to be 10 and again I lose. I'm losing continuously. Okay, it's all luck. So let me try simulating this multiple times and see what happens. Let us see this in the next video.